So I found an application where you can basically earn by doing some simple tasks online, and in this video today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this app. So before I go over now to show you how this application works, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Samuel, and on this channel I am passionate about helping you on the internet space by showing you several ways to make money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is gonna notify you instantly. Also, like this video as you are watching. Thanks for doing that. So the link to this application is gonna be in the description section of this video. So click on it right now and download this application on your phone. So once you download this application on your phone, follow the processes and create an account for yourself. So once you create an account for yourself, this is how your interface is gonna look like. So what you have to do right now is that you come over to the scratch sheet menu and click on it. So once you click on it, you are gonna basically see a scratch card, more or less like a login bonus. Just tap on the scratch card and scratch it, and you are gonna get some coins for yourself. So as you can see on my screen right now, the first time I did this was when I created an account, and the second time was when I downloaded a game, and the third time also was when I downloaded a game. So anytime you download a game on this application, come over to this scratch sheet menu and click on it, and you are going to basically see a card which you could basically scratch for yourself and earn through this scratch sheet menu. So this is how this scratch sheet menu works on this application. So come over to your home menu right now. So once you are on your home menu, for a new account, these three interfaces are not gonna be opened for you. So to open it, you just have to play a game, and to play games, just tap on this play now, as you can see on the screen right now. So tap on it, and you are basically going to be downloading a game that you are going to play, and you are going to be earning from that. Okay, and you are basically going to open this three interface through the games which you downloaded. So as you can see on the screen right now, catalog and my game. So it is this catalog where you could basically find game which you could basically download on your phone and start earning from it. So to download, you can basically click on this play now right now, and you will be redirected to Play Store, and you are going to download the game and start playing to earn for yourself. But before downloading the game, click on the more button to see the details of the game. So that's just everything you need to know about playing games on this application. So once you have actually downloaded a game, these three parts are going to be open up for you, and you can basically earn also from these three parts. Also, you can take surveys from these three parts, and you can play games from other companies also that are in partnership with this application, and you can basically earn from that also. So another best way you can earn from this platform is through invitation. So just come over to this invite right now and click on it. So once you click on it right now, you are going to be seeing your invitation link right now. So what you have to do is to copy that invite link, and once you copy that invite link, you are going to be sharing it to your friends right now. So copy that invite link and keep it on your clipboard. So what are you going to gain from inviting your friends? So refer friends and earn coins. What will I get? You are gonna get 1000 coins, as you can see on the screen right now. What will my friend get? Your friend also is gonna get coins. And when my friend earn, what am I going to earn? When your friend earn, you are gonna earn 10% of their earning, guys. This is very good, and you can basically accumulate more coins through this referral also. So what you have to do is just copy your referral link and start sharing it to your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, and so many places, so many social medias where you have many friends. Share it to them and let them register on this application, and you are going to be earning also from their earning, guys. So this is how this invite actually works right now. So I know the next question on your mind would be, Samuel, how do we withdraw from this application? So to withdraw from this application, you just have to come over to this slide that talks about redeem right now. So you click on it. So once you click on redeem, you are going to be taken to another interface where you could basically place withdrawal on this application. So you could place withdrawal using USDT, you could place withdrawal through Bitcoin, you could place withdrawal through Ethereum, you could place withdrawal through Binance Coin, and you could place withdrawal through Ripple. So the one that has the minimum withdrawal right now is the USDT. So if you have 500 coins on this application, you could basically place withdrawal using the USDT. So as you can see on my screen right now, I have 1,874 coins right now, which I could basically place withdrawal right now. So to place withdrawal, I will just click USDT right now, and I'm gonna be taken to the interface to actually choose the limit which I want to withdraw. As you can see right now, I have 0.005 USDT, and that's 500 coins. I have 0.3 USDT. That one is not completed yet, but the one that is already completed is the 500 coins, which I have more than 500 coins. So I will just click on it, and I will basically submit my Binance email right now. So once I submit my Binance email, I'm gonna click on submit request. So within 24 hours, this application is gonna send me my money into my Binance account. So that's how to basically withdraw from this application right now. Okay, that's just gonna be the end of the video. Thank you for staying with me right from the beginning to the very end of this video. And if you find this video helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is gonna notify you instantly. And also do well to like this video. Thanks for doing that. Bye for me, guys.